Just 20 miles east of downtown Houston, we can visit the San Jacinto Battleground, where Texas won its independence from Mexico. There we could see the San Jacinto Monument Tower, the San Jacinto Museum of History, and Battleship Texas. This war memorial stands at San Jacinto, honoring all those who fought for Texas independence. The total height of the monument is 567.31 feet, making it the tallest monument in the USA and the tallest monument column in the world. The walls of the monument's base are inscribed with the story of the War of Texas independence. The 8 carved panels around the octagonal base depict important moments in the Battle of San Jacinto and the history of Texas. At the top of the monument is a 220-ton, 34-foot high star representing the Lone Star of Texas. Ascended on a nearly 500-foot elevator ride to the observation deck on the San Jacinto Monument and overlooked the battlefield. It was here where General Sam Houston and his Texian army defeated General Santa Anna's Mexican forces and secured independence for Texas on April 21, 1836. The Battleship Texas, once the world's most powerful ship, also was seen from the observation floor, and also the Houston Ship Channel and the skyline of America's fourth largest city, Houston, is on the horizon. The city was named after Sam Houston, leader of the Texian forces at the Battle of San Jacinto. Battleship Texas, or the USS Texas. Commissioned in 1914 as the most powerful weapon in the world, the Battleship Texas is credited with the introduction and innovation of advances in gunnery, aviation, and radar. She is the last surviving dreadnought as well as the only battleship in existence today that fought in both World War One and World War Two. On August 31, 2022, the 110-year-old Battleship Texas made her way from San Jacinto to Galveston to undergo extensive repairs. After the repairs, it might be resettled in a new location in Texas.